Hello and welcome, dear followers. Today we have a beautiful recipe for sable cookies with different shapes and creative designs. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share the video so we can keep bringing you more videos, sweets, and new recipes. For the dough ingredients, we will need 250 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, 200 grams of powdered sugar, 75 milliliter of vegetable oil, and a pinch of salt. Mix these ingredients well until you get a homogeneous mixture. Then add 2 eggs and mix. Next, we start adding the flour as needed for the mixture. I'm not specifying a certain amount of flour because it depends on the type, but the important thing is to get a firm dough like you see in the video. After finishing the dough, it's necessary to put it in a bag so it doesn't dry out. Then, take a piece of the dough and roll it out like this. You can also roll the dough on a plastic bag to make it easier to handle after cutting the cookie pieces. Next, take different molds and shape the dough into the desired forms. Finally, place parchment paper on a baking tray and arrange the pieces on it. Bake them in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep an eye on them until they are done, then take them out right away. The decoration phase is creative and everyone can decorate as they like. Here, we prepared ready-made chocolate in different shapes and varieties. We can also crush nuts or use any type of chocolate chips as you see in the video. Add a bit of honey or glucose, and in the other half, stick the nuts on. It turns out chic, beautiful, and professional. We have different types of chocolate and ready-made shapes here. Using honey, we can stick and create diverse decorations. If you liked the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video with dessert lovers. Your likes and support give us the motivation to bring more. I hope the recipe works for you, and stay tuned for a new video tomorrow, inshallah.